Best Wagons for 2024 Subaru Outback. In the ever-popular segment of family-friendly vehicles, the 2024 Subaru Outback stands tall as a perennial favorite, offering a winning combination of versatility, capability, and reliability. As the demand for practical yet stylish transportation continues to grow, the Outback remains a top choice for discerning buyers seeking a vehicle that can handle the demands of everyday life with ease. The 2024 Subaru Outback is powered by a choice of efficient yet capable engines, designed to deliver both performance and fuel efficiency. The base model features a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine producing 182 horsepower, while the optional turbocharged 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine generates a robust 260 horsepower. Both engines come paired with a continuously variable transmission, CVT, and Subaru's renowned symmetrical all-wheel drive system, providing confident traction and stability in various driving conditions. Versatility is a hallmark of the 2024 Subaru Outback's design, with its spacious interior and flexible cargo area catering to a wide range of needs. The Outback offers ample room for passengers and cargo alike, making it ideal for family adventures, road trips, or daily errands. The rugged exterior styling cues, including rugged cladding and roof rails, give the Outback a distinctive look while also hinting at its off-road capabilities. Whether navigating city streets or exploring unpaved trails, the Outback delivers a confident and capable driving experience. Inside, the 2024 Subaru Outback provides a comfortable and practical environment for occupants. The cabin features durable materials, intuitive controls, and thoughtful storage solutions, ensuring convenience and ease of use on every journey. The available Subaru Starlink infotainment system offers seamless connectivity and access to a variety of entertainment and navigation features, while the optional Harman Kardon premium audio system delivers exceptional sound quality. Safety is a top priority in the 2024 Subaru Outback, with a comprehensive suite of driver assist features and advanced safety technologies designed to protect occupants and prevent accidents. Standard features include Subaru's EyeSight driver assist system, which includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and pre-collision braking. Additional available safety features include blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, and Subaru's driver-focused distraction mitigation system. Competing in the wagon segment, the 2024 Subaru Outback faces rivals such as the Volvo V60 Cross Country, Audi A4 All-Road, and Mercedes-Benz E-Class wagon. Each offers its own blend of style, performance, and technology, but the Outback stands out for its rugged capability, practicality, and value. In conclusion, the 2024 Subaru Outback continues to lead the pack in the wagon segment, offering a winning combination of versatility, capability, and reliability. Whether tackling daily commutes or embarking on outdoor adventures, the Outback delivers an unmatched driving experience that is sure to impress buyers seeking a versatile and dependable vehicle.